Hey there, this is Derrick Henry, and if you spend a lot of time copying stuff in Excel, I've got the tool for you. This lets you perform all kinds of different copy commands well beyond just the cell contents with a key-driven pick list. Let's take a look. So what I've got here is a few different things we want to copy, and I'm running a picker with a macro called the copy special picker with a keyboard shortcut. Now you can do all kinds of things without having to use a mouse. Things like type S on my default here to copy the sum of the selected cells over here into your clipboard. So you can put that in an email or wherever else you want. If you want to copy the formula of the cell, that's option F. Okay, so we can copy that as text and then put it wherever without having to worry about the absolute and the relative references. If you wanted to copy the range as an image, we could run option C for that. So that right there, let's say that's an image that you want to copy and paste somewhere. Maybe it's a chart, maybe it's a table, whatever the case is. If you want to copy the, let's say you want to copy the sheet name. Okay, the sheet name right here, please copy me. Or let's say you want to run option T to copy the entire file path, right? That might be something that you want to do. Let's say the ultimate one, option W, that's going to copy the entire active workbook to your clipboard so you can then paste it in an email, put it in another folder, or whatever you might want to do. There are several other options as well that are helpful, right? Picklist macros like this are helpful because they bring together a lot of things well beyond what Excel can do natively in one list, one central, easy to find list. You can even set your default using the shortcut or using a little checkbox here at the bottom. So the next time you don't have to type the letter, you just run this macro, press enter, and it runs. I did some quick math, and this particular one saves me over 3 hours a year because it's a few seconds each time, say about 5. 20 or so times a day, 230 days a year. It adds up really quickly. Imagine how much time you can save taking that same approach with all the actions you're doing all the time. So the next time you want to copy something in Excel, right, you can do it very quickly with this one. There's a better way. If you want to learn more about this, check out the QR code at the bottom or go to www.XLEV8.co. If you like this, please make sure to follow me for more great tools like this. Give it a like. Please tell me what you think. Leave a comment, share with your friends, and try it out for yourself today. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.